Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel travelav. I am Vicky from India. Pleasure to meet you all. In this video series, we are taking you an exciting journey across the USA, flying between the major cities, checking out cool hotels, hopping on the city bus tours, and visiting iconic sightseeing spots along the way. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Don't miss a moment of this video, it's about to get really exciting. In my last 13 episode, I traveled by bus through New York, New Jersey, Washington DC, Philadelphia and Harrisburg, enjoying guided city tour in each destination. If you missed any episode, then click the I button to catch up. After visiting the Pennsylvania State Capitol, Wegmans Store, Corning Museum of Glass and enjoying dinner at International Buffet Restaurant, now we are heading to Sheraton Niagara Falls, which is few minutes away from here. At 10:30 pm, we arrived at Sheraton Niagara Falls. We stayed for 2 nights at Sheraton Niagara Falls, located in the heart of downtown Niagara Falls, New York. The hotel is just a few minutes walk from Niagara Falls State Park and is conveniently connected to the Seneca Niagara Casino. Nearby attractions include Rainbow Bridge, Aquarium of Niagara, and the famous Maid of Mist boat ride, making this hotel a perfect place to explore Niagara Falls. The ambience at Sheraton Niagara Falls feels modern, calm and welcoming. Near the reception there is a comfortable sitting area with sofas, chair perfect for resting, waiting or having a quick conversation. Overall the lobby feels warm and inviting. The reception area is well organized with friendly staff and smooth check-in experience. The lift is quite spacious and can comfortably accommodate 8 to 10 people at a time, making it conveniently even with luggage. I am out of lift now and heading to my room. The passage area is wide, clean and nicely lit, giving a calm and comfortable hotel feel. If you think this video is informative, then click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. The lighting is soft, creating a relaxed atmosphere after a long day of travel. Stepping inside the room, the first impression instantly stand out. Clean, simple, well organized and surprisingly spacious. A bathroom looks modern with a glass enclosed shower, a toilet and a sink area. You also get all the basic amenities like blackout curtains, a work desk, TV, mini fridge, coffee or tea maker, a sofa set. If you book online, the cost for one room with 2 adults is around 9100 rupees per night. In US dollar, it's roughly $110 per night. Price may vary depending on the room availability and the season. I have shared the official website link in the description box. It's day 6 morning. I have arrived at the cafe area of the hotel called Rainforest Cafe. The place looks so beautiful, so let's take a few photos. Let's check out what is available in the breakfast buffet. Plates. Let's open this. Scrambled eggs. Let's check another one. Seasonal potato. Just open this. In non-veg section, waffles and bacon pop. Oats. Broccoli. And this is chole, salad, some sweets, assorted muffins, assorted pastries, fruit, pineapples, boiled egg, yogurt, blueberry and vanilla, some breads. In drink section you can find orange juice, apple juice, yogurt, butter, coffee and tea. The cafe has lot of sitting area. It can accommodate more than 80 peoples. Now my plate is ready. And now I am going to enjoy my breakfast here in the cafe. And you can check out in my plate. Potato, broccoli, egg, scrambled egg, and yogurt. Two of my friends along with me, and
I'm Anup.
is Anup, and he is Mr. Evan.
Yeah, first I'm saying
And
first saying my correct name.
he is Mr. Jagan.
Davis.
It's time to wrap up this episode. In the next episode, we'll be heading to Niagara Falls to enjoy the iconic Maid of Mist boat ride and the thrilling Cave of Winds experience. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more travel vlogs and updates.